Have you ever heard terms like fair, whitened skin that is pale? If so, you know that these terms are utilized for those who have glowing and epidermis that is gorgeous. You can get epidermis that is instant, which will be completed with a number of different techniques. Given just below are 5 all-natural getting epidermis whitening that is instant. 1. Lemon liquid. Lemon has been doing use for many functions. It offers your digestion a good start of power. Regardless of this, folks have been lemon that is making use of order to whiten their epidermis. Really, it contains properties which are effective bleach and exfoliate your skin layer. Being a point in fact, pure juice of lemon can slightly burn the skin. Consequently, it is a proven fact that is good incorporate equal level of water to lemon liquid to make it smooth for the epidermis. You then should apply it all over your face cotton fiber that is utilizing. Around quarter hour later, you ought to wash tepid to warm water to your face. You ought to follow this training at the least 2 times per week. 2. Tomato. Tomato can be in fruit that is perfect remove sunburn or tan indications. It'll lighten the tone of one's epidermis in inclusion to get rid of the skin that is dead. This is how you should use it. You ought to get 1 tomato that is fresh, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. You may also include 1 gram flour if you'd like to. Today, place all of these basic things in a blender and also make a paste. You might apply this paste in your face on a foundation that is daily having a shower. 3. Milk and lemon. Milk is filled with enzymes and it is mild on your epidermis. Milk has moisturizing properties that soften the lemon juice so your juice will not dry the skin out. All you've got to do is fill a tub with tepid to warm water and blend a cup then of milk inside it. You then should press 1 lemon into the water. A short while later, you should immerse into the water for the minutes which are few. You should wash it off after. This can be done once a week. If like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. 4. Exfoliation. Exfoliation is another strategy that is excellent. You need to whiten the skin. With exfoliation, you will reduce the skin that is lifeless. As a result, your skin layer will start looking fresh once again. You may make your exfoliating that is very own blend sugar, sodium and water. You can then apply the blend in your face in a motion that is mild. Applying this cream twice a week is a proven fact that is great. 5. Moisturizer. By keeping your skin full of dampness, the accumulation is prevented by you of lifeless skin cells. You could make your moisturizer that is natural house. All you have to do is rub coconut that is pure on your skin after you get out of the shower. Your skin layer will take in the oil in a minutes which are few could keep radiant through the day. Long story short, you test these 5 guidelines for those who have already been hunting for some skin whitening tips, we suggest. If you love this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.